Hi Eddie, I need your help. The RGB light has some errors. When I press the single color, the RGB light always shows in another color. What can I do?
Oh no!
No worries, let me guide you how to solve it. First, we find the setup button on the remote control. We press it for 3 seconds until the light turns white. Then we release the setting button and we click on the red button until the kit turns red.
Oh!
Then we release the red button and we click on the green button until the whole kit turns green.
Oh, I understand. And the same operations for other colors? Set up them one by one?
Yes, you are clever.
Okay, I will go to the office and solve the problem.
Light up your workshop. Find some star.